My 2-minute conviction today is when you are underestimated, take full advantage of it. It can be a massive win for you. Think of an athlete when the opponent underestimates their strength, their training and preparedness, when they underestimate their talent and their determination. It comes at a massive tactical risk to that opponent. And this is true in business, this is true in every field of competition, and it's the same in life and leadership. Do not be concerned when you are underestimated. Don't be anxious when people maybe don't recognize your full value. They don't credit your experience. They don't understand who you are and the capabilities and competencies you bring to the table. Use less words trying to convince people of who you are and what you can achieve, and focus more on execution. This is how you take advantage when they underestimate you. Focus on results. Be more determined around succeeding in areas that they didn't think you were capable of. And in so doing, you will definitely catch them by surprise. You will exceed their expectations, and you will demonstrate who you are rather than having to tell people and convince them of something that you hope they will believe. So here's my 2-minute conviction. Do not be concerned when you are underestimated. It can work to your advantage when you deliver great outcomes when nobody else is expecting it. Have a great week.